Hello there. In iPhone, there are so many screen recording apps in the App Store. Most of them are full of annoying ads and some of them are useless. But very few of us know that iPhone has a built-in screen recording option in it, which is totally ad-free and smooth to use. So let's switch it on and record screen without any hassle. On your iPhone, come to Settings. Then Control Center. Scroll down. Here you will find Screen Recording. Tap on the plus icon. Now it's included to the top of the added list. If you now go to the taskbar of your iPhone, you will find this recording sign here. Right now, I am using the recorder to record the screen, and which is why it's blinking. As you can see, the red dot is blinking. It means your screen is being recorded. Clicking here will start recording and also stop recording as well. When your recording is finished, the recoding will go to the Photos folder as video and then you can use it. So, this is how you can simply use screen recording option in iPhone and avoid useless apps to capture screen. Hope this will help you. Be with us and subscribe to Joseph IT if you have not. Goodbye.